No. Careful.
Mama, just take it from there.
You are horrible. Not that
It's
big.
little.
It's really small.
For kids.
It's not a playground.
Not for you. Not for you. Not for you. This is our secret bed.
No.
Not yet.
It's the attic. This
This is our secret base. How are we going to go down? Oh my goodness.
Get down. Careful. Foot first. Back.
Me first. Daddy, no. Don't even try to do it.
Do what?
Don't try to do anything. I can do it by myself.
Really? I'm here to protect you.
Daddy, I think I need.
Okay. Throw it. Throw it.
Daddy.
Okay.
Oh, again. Oh.
So do you like the house now?
Yes.
Okay. I forgot about Eugene.
Help me.
Les salons tranquilles. Les salons qu'il fait le haut, ça va, hein?
Let's put it back. Daddy, can you help me?
Wait.
Using this
And then push.
and pushing it. Ah.
Attends. Wait. It's not closed. Thunder. There you go.
Aha! Where did you find it, Daddy?
It's here.
Where did you find it?
Hit there.
Here?
There. Against the wall.
Okay.
Let's
Wow.
Oh.
I want to be here.
Okay. Okay. If you were to choose a room, which one do you like?
No, this is Mama's room and Dada.
No, I want the secret base.
You can live there?
Wait, there's only 2 rooms.
Yes. So which one?
Wait, that's a big base. Mom,
That's a small base.
behind this one. And I got one. No, this is me. This is me. So we need to have a bigger. We need to have a bigger.
It's the same size.
It's the same size.
It's the same size.
No, me.
It's the same size.
One, two, three.
You
One,
don't.
two, three.
We didn't buy this.
Yeah, I won. Well, yeah. Mama, no, wait.
Let's go. Careful. Mianza, tika ni ulit siya na kaya, sis?
Wait.